What I like from Denmark is that everything is flexible. You know, even though you are very sharp on date, you know, on timing, it's very, how you call it, very human. You know. Most of the people I know, they don't know what a robot is. Usually they think on a robot like a Japanese character. This is a robot. This is an industrial robot, actually. My name is Nicolas Espinoza. I'm from Chile. Here in Gibotech, I work as a software engineer. Captain Espinoza. You know, my main task here was the robot program and the panels. So right now I'm just updating some of the variables on the panels. Yeah, my main motivation is that at least here in Gibotech we are doing cool stuff all the time. They are reusing everything. I worked together with Gibotech back in Chile. Then they offered me to come and I came here with my family. So it's a whole new life and it's everything very nice.